Warm welcome to you all present here. Today I am going to present about poultry farming methods. This is one of the important techniques nowadays throughout the world they are using for the production of best quality and important primary protein for the betterment of human well-being. Poultry. The term poultry refers to the rearing and breeding of avian species such as chicken, ducks, turkeys, geese, and guinea fowls, which have been domesticated. These are some important avian species. They have been domesticated over a period of time. They are very important breeds for the poultry farming. They are best converts of the feed into the animal protein compared to other livestock. When you compare with all other animal livestock, this one poultry farming, the best one for the conversion of feed into the animal. Chickens are the most common poultry enterprises. Compared with all other birds, this chicken comes under the most common and it occupies more than 90% of total poultry output. Compared with all other avian species, chicken alone occupy 90%. People are mostly throughout the world they are consuming the chicken compared with all other livestock. So it occupies 90% of total output. Breeds. There are more than hundreds of breeds and more varieties of fowls are available. The fowls are classified based on their utility to man. They are meat type, egg type, tail type, game type, ornamental type. There are more varieties available. Based on their origin, there are four major exotic breeds of fowls. They are American breeds, Asiatic breeds, English breeds, and Mediterranean breeds. In addition to the above, many of the indigenous breeds are also available. They are locally bred and locally developed breeds also available for the better output. Farming methods. Poultry farming has now become very popular. It is recognized as an organized and scientifically based industry with tremendous employment potential. It plays an important part in the rural economy of India. It's one of the rural income generation methods. This kind of unemployed people, aged people, they are doing small scale poultry farming for the income generation. Important factors of farming with the poultry. We need small initial investment. Availability of quality chicks. I mean quality chicks. Short generation intervals. Availability of trained manpower. That is another one important factor. Better understanding and scientific methods of feeding. We need to concentrate on mostly on the quality of feeds. There are scientific methods how the protein carbohydrate ratio and quality of waters, minerals, vitamins, everything should be scientifically we need to feed to the birds. Management of health and control is one of the important factors for the good output. These are some important factors which is playing the vital role for the better poultry farming, for better yield and better output and better income generations. Rearing involved in the following steps. Eggs should be fertile. How we need to select. Important factor is selection of eggs. Oversized and medium-sized eggs should be selected instead. Medium-sized should be preferred. Should not select small-sized or large-sized. You should be select the medium-sized eggs. Dark brown-shelled eggs hatch earlier than bright brown-shelled eggs. This is one of the important factors. And freshly laid eggs are preferred for rearing. These are some important criteria which are involved in the selection of eggs for the rearing purpose. Incubation and hatching. The fertilized hens eggs undergoes development during the incubation and hatching process. This is one of the important. Nowadays we are using incubators for the hatching. The fully formed bird eggs emerge out after hatching period of 21 to 22 days. Full formed birds emerge out from the eggs after 21 to 22 days of incubation. Brooding. One of the important factors hatched young chickens. The brooding is a care management of young chicken for 4 to 6 weeks immediately after hatching. Like incubation, brooding also has natural and artificial methods. These are the some important factors which is playing the vital role for the better yield and output of poultry farming. These are the some important techniques which you can follow during the poultry development. Thank you for your nice listening. Thank you.